Guys, so we have a sketchbook due, and let's walk through and see what should be in the sketchbook. So here's my third period Art 2 sketchbook, and on the cover is our palmistry. So it's where we traced our hand, and then we made it like a fortune teller's hand. Now, if you have any concerns about that, if you don't like dabbling in fortune telling, you can make Mother Nature's hand, just some sort of creativity. On the inside cover, I'd like you to put your name. So the inside covers your name. And let's go through this then fairly quickly. Page 1, the standard proportions of the figure. Page 2, practice. Page 3, contrapposto of the figure. Page 4, line contour. Page 5, line contour. Page 6, we talked about sexual dimorphism, that in general, male and female adult figures can visually be told apart. So we did on page 6, the male figure. Page 7, the female figure. Page 8, the male figure in profile. Page 9, the female figure in profile. Page 10, we just did basically this simple diagram of drapery, just talking about pinch points. Page 11, you were to find a piece of cloth, a towel, a rag, to stage it and draw and shade it. Page 12, a blind contour. Page 13, a blind contour. Pages 14 and 15, we revisited the optical art worms. And so you were supposed to kind of draw and shade an interesting worm drawing. Page 16, blind contour. Page 17, blind contour. Page 18, blind contour. Page 19, draw the 4 basic forms and draw cross contour lines on them. Page 20, I had a still life set up. So you were to draw the pumpkins in vases and then apply your own cross contour lines. Page 22 and page 23, divide each page into fourths, and you were to do a total of 8 thumbnail sketches for your worms drawing. So these should all be full. So 8 thumbnail sketches. Page 24, blind contour. Page 25 was a really simple lecture just on composition, the arrangements of objects on a piece of artwork. And we just looked at samples of the rule of thirds. And I would like you to draw this diagram where you drew the frame of a drawing divided into thirds vertically, in thirds horizontally, and these are our focal points. Page 26 was a free draw. You were to sort of draw those rule of thirds lines and then put a focal point at one of those intersections. So this was mine. And if I divided my page into thirds, you can see I put my focal point here. Page 27, I had a still life set up of the rubber duckies. You were to draw the rubber duckies and then put cross contour lines on those objects. I'll leave it this way. Page 28, I had a still life set up and you were to draw and shade it. And then page 29, which is the very last page of your sketchbook, I had a still life set up with obviously a skull and book, and you were to draw and shade that. And that is our sketchbook, guys.